recording. My microphone on.
Better not be.
Hello.
Alright.
Hello.
Mic test.
1, 2,
1.
let's go. Where are you, evil beast?
Go.
Where is this beach?
How do you think that it's...
Pick it up. Let's pick it up.
Oh, it's into it's strange voice, it's skipping,
It's the mad crow. Where's that mad crow at? Right?
Where's blood? Where's dead and blood?
I thought that was the mad crow. No, that's just debris.
There he is.
Wait,
There he is. North. Northwest.
There he is! I see you!
My game just
He's
lagged
coming!
out.
him.
Hold the line! Who's not responding?
Yo, close this.
Oh, it's not responding.
Who's not responding? Possible castle.
Oh,
I dropped my fucking bow.
He's pulling up to the
He's
missile!
going up. He's going up.
Where is it?
I dropped my bow.
He's coming! Hold the line!
It's all
Get him! Shoot him!
Hit it!
Shoot
Hit him once.
Hello?
He's going
So laggy! He's coming! Hold the line!
I can't tell if I hit him because I'm lagging.
I'm 40k ping. 40 seconds delay. It's gonna hit
9
60.
seconds delay. 10 seconds delay.
Oh.
The bird!
Hold the line! Stab him! Fiddle, stab him!
I can't hit him.
I hit him once. But his HP is not moving.
My arrows is not responding at all!
It's not responding.
Yo, I want you guys like...
Your arrows are...
Dude, watch. The ping is gonna come back. We all fall off from the damage we took. Oh
I'm
god!
gonna fucking hide, nigga. I'm gonna hide.
Oh.
Yo, what is...
Oh,
I'm
this is-
fucking hiding, bro.
Fiddle, why are you red? Why are you?
Why am I red? I'm not red.
I was the thing recorded anyways. It's fine. Let's see.
Dude, where is the crow?
He's pulling up. He's coming down!
Sorry, city.
Stab him,
Hit
stab him,
him.
stab him.
Hit him. Hit twice.
Ooh.
Holy.
Dude,
Bruh.
the bird just flew sideways in my game.
Bro, I just inted, bro. My ping's been frozen for 60 seconds.
That way, I'm on 50-second mark.
Wait, look. Can
I
you guys-
can't get up again because I'm trapped down here.
Dude, can you guys type in .clients ping?
Wait, just time switch.
I can't time switch. It's the issue.
The bird.
The bird is still full HP, nigga.
Dude, guys, please type in .clients ping.
It's been frozen. It doesn't move. Nico.
I hate it!
She's standing still.
He's laying down. He laid down.
The
like-
bird. I fell with Kermit every time switch.
Why did you fell with me? I'm inside.
I got it.
Oh, you're down here.
This is the laggiest battle I've ever seen in my life.
Yo, no, that ping stopped lagging, really. They're lagging again, nigga. Hello.
Dude, the mad girl hasn't even been damaged. Is it that bad?
No,
The
we
lag?
did it. We did 8 damage to it.
How do you see the
8
HP?
bars.
Why it's Vince at the very bottom?
You can press Alt.
Oh, where did everyone go?
You can press
I
Alt
just-
to like remove your mouse, and then you can hover over health
Oh
bars.
my god, the lag just came in. Hello.
Oh my god, so much people disconnected. Yan, pero come on, hold the line.
Someone died.
Oh yeah, bird.
Yeah, who died?
I see
I'm
it.
connecting.
Shit, that.
Did I die?
left.
Why didn't
You guys
say? You
Yeah,
guys
no,
left.
I'm reconnecting.
This is the laggiest battle I've ever seen in my life.
Everything just hit at once, dude. She's dead cold.
Shit. Ah.
The bird's coming, hold the line!
It's like,
Wait, I can damage it, move it up!
I can't, I'm lagging. You hit me!
Exactly, that's why I said move!
I can't, when the game,
It's so
the game is
laggy.
crazy.
Oh shit, that's coming back!
Go back.
Wow, I've received 5 kilobytes.
We did one more, guys, come on, we did one more!
We did one bar, come
Well,
on.
now we just need to do that 10 more times.
Come on, I'm pretty sure it's more than 10, bro.
Where is it, huh?
god, they're shooting me! Oh, if he's pulling up, he's shooting his feathers. Oh shit, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming! Ah! Oh god, I'm falling! I fell.
You where do I hit the crow?
I don't know. I'm
You
dead.
have to hit him in the neck. Hindi ko dead. I'm all alone at the top, bro.
I fell, bro. It's so laggy.
Yo, where's Vince?
Fight me this.
He's all the way down, he died.
Medicinable, come on, fight me.
Let me fix my settings. I'm gonna do that.
Oh nigga, there's so many. Come on! That's my corpse game! No! That's bull.
I did 2 boys, he did 2 boys. I mean, he does 2 boys. I didn't do 2 boys. I fell.
Grow distance less than 50. Set ping.
Pemmican, Pemmican.
The problem with that is that it's just not. I can see him.
Fight me, huh? I may have fallen.
Wow, I'm back.
Where are you, huh?
Finally. I have returned. I can't open the trapdoor. There you go. I can't time switch out, now I can't get out the hole.
Hello, the bait froze.
Keep hitting it
Bait
then.
froze. I'm waiting. Okay.
I can't time switch out!
I'm gonna go absolute ridiculous here.
I'm gonna go nigga mode right now, bruh.
Okay, Wi-Fi's back.
Hey,
What are you
Kim.
doing here?
Bye, Kim. Dude, I lagged out, right? I didn't want to disconnect.
There's a ghost
on my
Zephyr
phone.
right here. Oh shit.
No!
I'm haunting the tower.
Bro, it considers my old corpse to be IHG's. I can't claim it. Nigga.
Behind
you-
you, Graham! You
Yeah.
hit it. Nice.
Yo, can you TP? Can you TP
I'm
me
gonna,
back off?
I'm gonna time switch out.
Just out, just get out, I can tank.
Can you TP
What?
back
It
off?
gives you feathers.
Right? It does give you like a few weapons.
That's so much damage.
Listen,
You can only use
Vince,
it
when you can
twice.
TP, can you TP?
can it?
I think you're supposed to time switch out every time it goes near you.
Nah, only pussies do
Get
that.
it once and time switch out.
Dude, you know how much HP I have right now?
I have one.
I lost 1 boy only.
I'm literally at 0.9. I'm not even a full one.
Dude, Fidel, I tanked the
I'm time
hit.
switching out. This is too laggy.
Yeah.
The thing is, I tanked the shit that the bird gave me. But
It's
like,
just too laggy. Hey, Kim, I also lagged
gonna
out
heal
sa
up,
11
bro.
seconds.
I'm gonna
Like
heal up, dog.
disconnected. Let me go back out.
3, 2, 1.
My guild's crashed.
Oh, bro! I jumped him!
My guild crashed.
what's the
Your
ping?
game crash?
Shall we do this later tonight if your Wi-Fi stabilizes?
I really hope it does.
Can we do this later tonight?
Alright, sure.
Cause like it's too laggy right now.